In this page we will explore the basic of binary options. When you work with the binary option robot, you don't necessarily need to know anything about investing in binary options, but it is useful to know the mechanism which the robot uses to trade. And if you are still interested in binary options in a way that you don't want to use the robot but do it all by yourself, you will have to remember that the robot doesn't work with every broker. So if you want to take advantage of every opportunity to gain a good portion of money, it is good to know a little bit about binary options. Table of contents. What are binary options? How do I trade with binary options? Basic 4-step guide. Transaction examples with binary options. How do I make money using binary options? Step 1. Choose the correct trade asset. Step 2. Choose the correct trade strategy. Passo 3. Choose the correct broker. All of our recommended brokers. Recommendation number 1. IQ option. Step 4. Start to trade. Black-Scholes model and evaluation of binary options. Call, investment, asset rise. Put, investment, asset decline. Benefits of trading with binary options. The trade robot in binary options. Why should you trade with the robot instead of yourself? What are binary options? The binary options are one of the new, most fascinating instruments for investing. Its history goes back to the year 2007 when they obtained a huge publicity as the proposal for the authorization of binary options of the Options Clearing Corporation. Next year, with the approved filing of binary options, money or nothing of the SEC. The investor has two possible options: call, the increase of the asset when the value of the property is expected to increase, as well as put, when the value of the property is expected to decrease. In order to prevent price manipulation, e.g., an investment in a call transaction in binary options with a very large sum of money, and then buy a large amount of shares of that company, which inflates the price of the stock and the investment in the binary option goes well. Many brokers use an average of transactions valued by volumes at the time of expiration. In most cases, manipulation is not possible, since the investment objects of the main companies like Google and Alibaba Group, whose prices of personal investment stocks are almost impossible to be altered. If you want to know the main differences between binary options and trading in Forex, I recommend reading the following article. Binary options versus Forex. Differences explained. You'll learn which one fits you better and why. How do I trade with binary options? Basic 4-step guide. Step 1. Choose the asset to trade. First, you need to choose your favorite asset to start trading. You have hundreds of options to choose from. For example, shares, currency, commodities and indexes. Step 2. Choose the direction. After you choose a direction, if you think the price will rise, you choose call, and if you think it will decline, you choose put. Step 3. Choose the desired amount to invest. Choose the amount you want to invest. This can vary from a few dollars up to thousands of dollars. Step 4. Choose the expiration time. Choose the time you'd like your investment to expire. This can vary between 30 seconds up to months. Example of a trade with binary options. Initial price of gold is $1,167 United States dollars at 12:30 p.m. with an expiration time of 60 minutes. The binary option trade is done in the electronic trade platform. If an investor thinks that the price of the gold is going to close in or above the price OS $1,167 United States dollars at 1:30 p.m., he can buy a call option with that result. If an investor thinks that the price of the gold is going to close in or below the $1,167 United States dollars mark at 1:30 p.m., he can buy the put option. If the value is above the $1,167 United States dollars at the expiration time, the call investment wins. But if the value is below the $1,167 United States dollars mark, the investment How do I make money using binary options? Winning with binary options is easier than you think. You just need to know if the value of the trading asset is more likely to go up or down. Remember that not every transaction goes well. It is enough that you make a profit on the long run. Here's a simple example of how to get money with binary options. Step 1. Choose the asset to trade. This is the main point of trading with binary options. You will start to think about which trading asset might be right for you. Do you have first-hand knowledge of any assets? Do you have a strong view on what direction the value of any particular operating asset will change? Do you have friends or family members who have a strong knowledge of a trading asset, and which you could use in your investment? If you answered yes to any of the above questions, you know where to start. However, if your answer to all the above questions is no, then you have in front a slightly larger task, but the payoff is also pretty good in the best cases. The shares of the main companies are the most popular trading assets. How do you find the correct trading asset without any previous knowledge in investments? One of the most important things is to follow financial news. Is something happening in the world in this moment in which your investments in binary options could be benefited? You can also explore which trading assets are the other brokers offering and which would be the one in which you would learn faster. Or if there is any trading asset in which you are particularly interested to get to know it. One of the advantages of binary options is that you can get really big gains only from fluctuations in the value of the assets. For example, if the value of gold increases and falls again daily, but has remained within a few percentages of the same margin as it was a year ago, you still have the opportunity to earn large sums of money if you have correctly anticipated the direction of change in the price. On the other hand, if it had invested directly in gold, the value would be close to the same as it was a year ago. Extremely important. The management of money plays a very important role in binary options trading, so we strongly recommend that you read the following article before you start investing. Money management in binary options. How to make as much as possible with little to no risk. Step 2. Choose the correct trading strategy. As an investor in binary options, you have several different strategies and options to choose from. I recommend trying with many different strategies and experience which one is the most profitable. Once you have learned how to productively use one of the strategies, you can gradually increase the others within your repertoire. In this manner, you will always have many different options to get as many high returns as possible. Now, let's look at the 10 most popular and profitable strategies. Strategy number 1. Binary options pair. In the transactions with binary options pairs, you have two different trading assets and you need to know if any value increases compared to the other one in the established period of time. This is a particularly good strategy in the situations in which you believe a certain event will rise the asset value and will decrease other trading asset. Even if your supposition is wrong by little, and both asset values decreases, you can still win if that asset that you originally thought it would decreases even further. Gold vs silver is one of the most popular binary option trading pairs. Strategy number 2. Long-term binary options. Long-term binary options are similar to buying shares. The expiration time can vary from a few hours to many days and even months. This is my personal favorite strategy. It is ideal for people who invest large amounts of money and want to carefully analyze the trading assets before investing. Strategy number 3. 60-second binary options. The 60-second binary options are totally opposite to the long-term binary options. They are a form of short-term investment where the risks are really great, but if you learn how to make a profit from them, only the sky is the limit on how much money you can get with them. The 60-second options are suitable for investors who are able to accept the fact that if you want to make a lot of money, you have to be willing to lose a lot periodically. Strategy number 4. One-touch binary options. When trading with one-touch binary options, you get benefits when the rate rises above or falls below the target price set. On the positive side is the fact that once it reaches the target price, your investment can't go wrong even if the value of the asset changes in the other direction after that. Strategy number 5. Ladder trading of binary options. The ladder trading, as the name suggests, that you have many different levels of which each is paid a certain percentage of the yield. This form of investment is appropriate for those cases where the investor believes that he knows which direction the value of the transaction assets moves but that he is not entirely sure how the value will eventually change and in what time frame. The ladder trading is an excellent strategy for those experienced investors. You can obtain really high yields in a short period of time. Strategy number 6. Pinocchio's strategy. This is one of the clearer and simpler strategies. When the trading asset value rises, you wait until it falls, and then when the asset value falls, you expect for it to rise. The investor always invests in the opposite trend of the market. Trades in presumption that the market sometimes overreacts to certain news, and because of that the value changes momentarily and in a reasonable time frame it will correct itself. Candlestick charts are an excellent tool for those who use the Pinocchio's strategy. Strategy number 7. Support and resistance lines strategy. The support line is the point at which the value does not decreases further down, and the resistance line is the point at which the highest value does not increases. These often apply particularly to certain primary products, such as the value of coffee or sugar. When the values are struggling in certain range within the scheme, it is easy for the investor to benefit from them when he discovers that the value is approaching one of the two levels and more common would go towards the other direction very soon. Strategy number 8. Trend trading strategy. The trend trading strategy is a very simple strategy, something both novice and experienced traders use often as it is really good and functional. In the trend trading strategy, you invest in the market trend. If it is increasing, you place a call investment, and if it's going down, you place a put investment. You can use support and resistance lines to help evaluate when the direction of the trend changes. Strategy number 9. Martingale and anti-martingale strategy. Martingale is a strategy used especially often in betting. In the martingale strategy, you always double the bet when the investment goes bad. In this way, you generate profits even if one of your investments is going well. Martingale is really a high-risk strategy. You lose using it very rarely, but when you lose, the amounts tend to be large. The inverse version of the strategy is an anti-martingale. In it, the investments are doubled only when the previous investment is correct. This results that you earn very rarely, but the sums tend to be really large. Read more about the martingale strategy in the following article. Martingale strategy of binary options. Can you earn tens of thousands using it? All the secrets of this strategy now revealed for the first time. Strategy number 10. Fundamental analysis. The fundamental analysis is used very often in stock trading. It focuses on the determination of the real value of the object of investment on the basis of several economic indicators such as the global economic figure, the profitability of the industry, and future growth. Performing a fundamental analysis requires a lot of time and effort, but the final results obtained can generally be used in a variety of ways. You can also combine strategies according to your own thinking as you wish. For best results, I first recommend studying a single strategy appropriately. Step 3. Choosing the correct broker. Choosing the correct broker is extremely important. There are many dishonest traders in the market that are trying to ruin the reputation of the honest ones, acting without ethics. We've chosen in our recommendations those binary options brokers that are honest and trustworthy. When you invest with our recommended brokers and open an account with our links, you can have complete mental tranquility and focus on the most important thing, which is making money by investing. Our number 1 recommendation is IQ Option. They have the lowest minimum deposit, $10 United States, the best trading platform and the best bonuses. All of our recommended brokers. Number 1 recommendation. IQ Option. Founded in 2011. Minimum deposit, 10 United States dollars. Bonus, up to 100%. Trial account, available. American traders, not accepted. Minimum transaction, 1 United States dollar. Maximum transaction, 1,000 United States dollars. Trading software. Own the best binary option broker. Our number one recommendation. Practice for free. IQ Option also has the lowest minimum deposit, 10 United States dollars, and the lowest minimum investment, 1 United States dollar. Check for the best offer bonus by click in the photo of the following button. IQ Option is our number one recommendation for a broker site. Great bonuses, excellent trading platform, extensive and free educative material. Get an exclusive bonus deposit of 100% by clicking the button below. Other recommended brokers. Porter Finance broker. Porter Finance platform. Spot Option, founded in 2014. Bonus, up to 755%. Repayment refund, 60 to 87%. Asset number, around 200 assets. Demo account, yes. Minimum deposit, 250 United States. American traders, accepted. Register, broker. Any option, platform. Any option, founded in 2008. Bonus, 50% to 100% depends on the quantity of the deposit. Repayment refund, 65 to 85%. Number of assets, plus 100. Regulation, SISEC FSA. Educative Center, videos. Demo account, yes. Mobile phone trading, yes. Minimum deposit, 200 United States dollars. Any option, register. Option 888. Broker, Option 888. Platform, TradeLogic. Founded in 2014. Bonus, up to 100%. 888 United States dollars. Repayment refund, 65 to 89. Number of assets, around 200 assets. Regulation, Malta Gaming Authority. Gambling Games Authority in Malta. Minimum deposit, 250 United States. Register, Optech. Broker, Optech. Platform, MarketPulse. Founded in 2011. Bonus, up to 100%. Repayment refund, 65 to 85%. Number of assets, plus 50. Regulation, SISEC. Demo account, yes. Minimum deposit, 250 United States. Register, Bank to Binary. Broker, Bank to Binary. Platform, Spot Option. Founded in 2009. Bonus, 100%. Repayment refund, 91% maximum. Number of assets, around 200 assets. Regulation, SISEC. Demo account, yes. Mobile phone trading, yes. Minimum deposit, 250 United States. American traders, not accepted. Register, Master Option. Broker, Master Option. Platform, Spot Option. Founded in 2009. Bonus, up to 100%. Repayment refund, up to 85%. Number of assets, around 100 assets. Regulation, no. Educative Center, videos, ebooks, articles. Mobile phone trading, yes. Minimum deposit, 200 United States dollars. Register, Stock.com. Broker, Stock.com. Platform, MT4 MetaTrader. Web Trader. Bonus, up to 50%. Repayment refund, up to 88%. Number of assets, more than 300 assets. Regulation, SISEC. Educative Center, videos. Demo account, no. Mobile phone trading, yes. Minimum deposit, 100 United States dollars. Open a free account. Step 4. Start trading. Now that you have all the necessary knowledge about investment in binary options, you can start trading. Remember to follow our articles and learn on a daily basis about binary options and investments. In this way, you will assure that you will get a profit and good results now and in the future. Black-Scholes model and the evaluation of binary options. The Black-Scholes model can be used to calculate the theoretical price of the binary options. It has demonstrated to yield the prices very close to the market price. Luckily, the trader doesn't need to know the mathematics behind this model. The easier way is to let the binary options robot handle this task completely. You can put the required entries in a calculator. Nevertheless, for those who are interested, we will show you the investments formulas for the call and put trade. T is the expiration time. R is the rate of profit free of risks, denoted by the functions of the accumulative distribution of the normal distribution. S is the initial price, K denotes the execution price, Q is the rate for profits, Y is the volatility of the asset price. Call, investment, rise in the price of the asset. Pays 1 unit of cash if the point is above when it expires. Put, investment, decrease in the price of the asset. Pays 1 unit of cash if the point is below when it expires. Benefits of trading with binary options. The binary option is a type of digital option in which at the moment of investing you only have two possible outcomes: winning or losing. They have been very well welcomed by investors because of the versatility, attractiveness and many other characteristics. Now we will study the benefits of the binary options compared to other forms of investments. You don't need to know the correct time to buy or sell. By investing in binary options, you will always have to choose the date of payment in advance. When this time comes, you can lose or win with your investment. This, however, in no way limits their opportunities. If you believe that the value of the asset continues in the same direction, you can set it again as many times as you wish. You can multiply your initial investment in a very short time, even in a few hours. Transactions with binary options can be carried out even in increments every 30 seconds. This means that the investor has the possibility of obtaining very high returns in a short period of time. This also carries some added risk. So it is very important that you invest such amounts that the potential losses do not impact the mandatory expenses. I recommend raising the entry level little by little as you develop your skills as an investor. You can trade with binary options from anywhere in the world. In this site we recommend only binary option brokers that accepts customers from all countries. You also have the opportunity to trade through a single broker in every corner of the world with no restrictions on countries. You don't need to have a high amount of capital to start investing in binary options. Comparing to stock trading, you can start investing in binary options with a few $100s. In equity stakes, transaction costs will spend your profits quickly if you start with very little startup capital. With binary options you do not have this problem since the costs are always the same no matter how big your investment capital. You will have the opportunity to win bonuses. Investors in general are not able to get any kind of bonuses with the deposit. Investors in binary options can get up to thousands of dollars in deposit bonuses as well as great profits. Many brokers also have competitions and promotions with the opportunity to win trips and cash prizes. Therefore, we recommend having an account with all the brokers. In this way you can get the full advantage of the best competitions and rewards. It has a great variety of trading assets to choose from. Brokers have a large supply of varied trading assets for you to choose from. It is easy for you to choose the one that best fit your style. You can find in the repertoire almost all the possible shares of several companies and primary products such as gold and silver. The opportunities are almost endless. Also read the following article to get the best out of the operations in the binary options. Binary options hacking strategy: how to double your profits in the following days with these simple steps. The binary option trading robot. Why should you operate with the robot instead of doing it by yourself? If you are asking yourself if it's worthwhile to trade binary options with the robot or if you can do it for yourself, the answer is clear. You should always use the robot. If you have not read the homepage, I recommend that you read it immediately. We examine the many advantages of the robot, and we will mention why every investor should take this excellent tool in their arsenal. Claim a binary option robot for yourself now by clicking the link below.